Morning guys, welcome to another vlog. Today, the RB20 is coming out.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, get it, yeah. It's like a tracker, get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage.
Cool, so basically just picking up where I left off yesterday. Got to drop the drive shaft, the exhaust is half off. Drop the gearbox mount, and then loosen off the engine mounts, lift her out. Let's do it. Alright, so just fast forwarding here a little bit. I've got the tail shaft out, the exhaust is off, and the gearbox mounts are off, the slaves off. Everything's disconnected, and I'm just about to hook up the hoist. Not the hoist, I'm just about to hook up the engine crane and pull it out with the leveler. Got this sweet as leveler. I'm keen to give it a go for the first time properly and pull this engine out. I just whacked that fuel line back on there because it started pissing out when I jacked it up, which is lovely. But this floor is freaking awesome for cleaning up mess. Like, just use a towel and wipe it down and it's, yeah, good to go. Love it. Love it so much. Let's get this engine out and get a new one in. So you get the crane on the engine, you take the weight off it, and then you have your other, because the gearbox is disconnected, so you have your jack underneath the gearbox, and then we just lower that. Like that. Now, we lift the engine with the crane. Oh yeah, sick! Bruh. The RB20 is gone. See all that liquid down there? Yeah, don't be a noob and don't forget to take the gearbox oil out. Otherwise, when you tip it up, the gearbox oil comes out the gearbox, out the back where the drive shaft normally goes in. I don't know why I forgot that. I think it's because like I'm trying not to use many containers, because I don't have. That was like my last container that I put that oil in. But nice little mess there to clean up. Yeah, sick. But yeah, oh well. You live and you learn. Next time I won't forget. But yeah, so we got the RB20 over here. It's just gonna sit there for a bit, just for a minute, out the way. And yeah, it looks so much bigger when it's out of the car. Gearbox is tiny though. It looks midget as. The RB20 box is so much smaller than the 25. Yeah, a tyre works perfectly for sitting engines down. It's literally like made for it. No rim on it obviously. But yeah, just going to drop the shell on the ground, roll it out so we can get the excavator in here. Going to get that in here to lift up the hoist and put that into position. So I'm going to put down some boards so that you can get in here and not rip up my floor. Yeah, tidy up and that's all. Just a short one, just finishing off from yesterday's vlog. But yeah, engine's out, happy days. Now we can start building. Got the RB20 block here, came with pistons and everything. It's a S2 block, and I'm gonna send this away to the machine shop, and they're gonna do the turbo water and oil lines. I'm guessing that's them there. I don't really know. I'd have to research it. That would be the oil return. So someone's already put it in there, which is sweet as. RB20 got a good deal on this one. It's freaking awesome. So I'm going to send that away to the machine shop, and the RB25 head that is over here, sitting on the shelf, that is also unknown condition. But yeah, it's missing a fair bit of shit. I have to pull out the cam. Well, there's only one cam left. Pull that out, just clean it up a little bit, and then send that off to the machine shop as well. But that's going to be, I don't know when I'm going to do that, because I don't really have the money for it at the moment. But we'll see what happens. And yeah, but thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Got some really exciting shit coming up, and also get on that $50 giveaway for the Super Cheap Auto card, and enter that, because why wouldn't you? Easy as. Thanks, guys.